Little hot spring where I was promised there was not going to be any women here. Morning. Well, let's say hello to my little friend. It's also good morning to all of you. Last night before going to bed I did a little inspection of the bike and see if everything's still functioning as it should be. I think the whole motor block is fine. Couldn't find anything loose. But the first casualty of yesterday was the little connector there, this little bag that's gone. I don't think that's a major issue. And on second inspection, when I was cleaning the bike a little, I did notice that my tour pack is a little bit loose. I think I need to get it fixed. So if we're looking at the right side, you see there it's well connected and the connecting plate is holding steady. If we look on the other side though, this little thing is loose, but also the docking station is loose. And I think if I continue with that, there's going to be too much strain with the tour pack shaking, and in the end it will break off. So I'm going to try to get it fixed. So that's where I'm going now, see if the little repair shop is open, and if I at least can get those bolts or something resembling those bolts that my docking station is holding again, and then maybe somehow make sure the tour pack is not shaking too much when I'm riding around. So that's the plan for today. We started to look at it. I'm just going to ask if he's okay with filming it, and then I might be able to get it on camera.
It's okay?
Maybe. Try. It still needs to be in there.
Bak. Allah, kabuk jubin. Allah.
اللي يفوت ناخذه لما ريتش يتجاوز الروس ده جيت شو
ايه ده؟ احنا muszę ją wychylić. Mikä se oli viitaa? Mä vois musiikan kanssa riitoltakin. Kuule.
Yeah, it's okay. It's okay. It's what it is. Can you? Yeah.
It's okay.
Okay. Guess so. Yeah. This is much better. The mechanic asked for $2. I gave him 10 and later picked up 2 spare bolts. So if it happens again, I can fix it myself. After doing the repairs to the bike yesterday, I thought today maybe not chance it on another extremely bad road. Not sure exactly, but it's not looking too promising for road conditions. But I still want to visit the Afghan market at Eshkashem. So I arranged some transport to get me there, and it gives me the opportunity also to visit the bathing site, the hot springs on the way back. So today, no motorcycle ride, but a taxi ride. And just relax and enjoy the scenery and not having to worry about protecting the bike today. That's another day, that's tomorrow when we're continuing the Pamir Highway. My ride for the day. Good old Toyota. Just for a little check here. Security check, you can see what kind of road we're doing. And the big boulders that can just fall on the road. That's always tricky. I've made it to the Eshkashem border post. So now let's see if we can get through and let's go to the Afghan market. This is where we are, and across the border on the little island over there is the market, and across the river is the Afghan crossing point. And still we're here in beautiful scenery. I think with this little bridge here, we're entering Afghan soil. So I think I should say welcome to Afghanistan over here. And that's the entrance to the market, that's where we're heading. So most of what we see is clothing. from what I've been reading, it's been mostly imported from China or second-hand stuff that's being resold here. I think I'm more interested in these Afghan rugs, but I really have no way of transporting this. I think there's always room for one more in my house. Beautiful chaos of local trading here. Just having lunch here with my friends.
Yes.
And I'll just put her down on the table. I might have lunch. Enjoy. These are the guys serving the rice. Doing a great job. A big cauldron full of it. And they empty very quickly. Of course, you have to go for the second course. And this guy is preparing my second course. Maybe he doesn't know it yet, but it looks great. Just enjoying the local food. And I'm sure he'll sell me some when he's ready.
Hallo.
And this is the little hot spring where I was promised there was not going to be any women here. But as we see it, it's about 10 of them. I'm just going to see what's going to happen and if I can bathe here or how this is going to work. But yeah, we'll see. But this is the little Pamir color. Similar structure, just one a lot smaller. And the water is supposed to be very hot, so I'm sure I'm going to enjoy it. The water is nice and warm, a bit smelly. But yeah, this is the same consistency as Pamir color has. And it feels nice. If you look at what's coming in from above, that water is actually quite hot. I think something like 60 degrees. And I can't really sit under it, but if you go sit next to it, the water is even warmer. And that's also very nice. I had to wait a little while for the women to clear. Hang around taking pictures, but now I've got the pool all to myself. Nice little retreat, not too busy, changing rooms. But the idea is no mixed swimming, men and women separately. I'm gonna check out what's one floor higher. See, there's water vapor coming from the water there, so maybe that's interesting as well. There are no pools here, but this is where the water actually comes from the mountain. A little bit here and a lot more over there. that looks boiling hot. And this is the little stream that catches it all and collects the water for the pools inside.
Videos. Arno, pa dödage, ma pa död säljafts, maromtor, kari och kusten, ne?
I speak Russian very good. No speak English.
No speaking.
My friend, it's all right?
It's okay.
Yes.
Welcome to the